What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video of Python. So, um, in the previous video, we learned that how to generate a multiplication table in Python. So, today we are going to learn that how to make a progress bar in Python so that uh, you will be able to do like in the games. You can see that uh, when we choose a level and then we start it, then we see a progress bar that will tell us that how many percentage is there for loading it, like it's um, 10, 15, 20, 30, 50, 80, 100%. So it will be loaded. So um, it's very short programming, so it would be easy for you. But wait, we have to download one extension. Wait, not from here. You have to search cmd, command prompt. Okay, so we will type pip install pqbm. Okay, it's installing. If in your computer it is not working, so you have to delete the Visual Studio Code and the Python both, and after that you have to first install Python. Then it will show an option of connect to path, or there are many other options that it can come in many different sentences. But yeah, there is written path, connect to path, or connect to path bin, so that it will give us pip commands. Pip is a part of Python, like it's a it's a robot that will do our work. Like if we want to install anything, that then it will install it. So let's just close the cmd command prompt, and then let's delete this whole programming. Now we have to do from pqdm. Now see, it's coming. Import range. Okay, now we have also to import time. Mm, we can mm, make a name for it, but not for tqdm, because we have imported t range from it. But instead of importing t range from tqdm, we can just do import tqdm. Now we can also name it as, I will name it as q, and this h. Okay, now we will just need a loop for I in T range. See, 0 T range. 100. And we have imported this time because we need some time, some delay for doing some steps. Like if I make it to 30, okay, so it will move one step, like this is my puppet cube, and it will move one step at the delay we had uh, typed in it. Like if I type 1 second, okay, and if I type 0 0.3, it will be like this. That is why. Yeah. Yes. H dot sleep. Mm, okay, let's see. It's loading. See, here are the steps. 30 out of 30 done. If we do it, make it to 5. Now, see. Da, da, uh, 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 mm, 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 mm. It could be like this also, like if this is a launcher for Minecraft or Fortnite or any other game, so it shows the size of the game or any other application. So for Minecraft, no, let's type for Subnautica below zero. So in Subnautica below zero, it's 4.6 GB, and for GB, we can just open our calculator and we can type like one and then multiplied by 4.6 equals to 5,520. Okay, 5,520. But there shouldn't be comma, otherwise it will understand it wrong. Okay. See. Hey, 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 just stop. This is how Subnautica Below Zero or any other game downloads in a gaming PC. But when it's a normal, like we have a computer of 4 GB RAM, then it will take a lot of time. See? Okay, this was just for fun. I think you all were laughing at that joke. But yeah, it's very useful. After that, we can also um, type some functions like, wait, let's just make it to normal 100. Okay, 10. Now I will import turtle. Okay, now I will make a circle. T dot circle 500. Not 5,500. Okay. Till, hey, what's happening? Oh, I understood. Control plus S. So it will be safe now. Now run it. Yeah. Wait. Um, we would be not. We would not be able to see the circle. So for that, we dot done. Okay. Forgot that. Yeah. No. Okay. Full screen. I think it's so much. Um, 50 and T dot BG color black. T dot color. Hmm. I like orange, so oh, with the black background, I like magenta color. Magenta. There's a. It is. Okay. Yeah. This thing will happen. Delete this terminal. So for that, we will do Control plus X, then Control plus V. Now I have done this programming here because it's setting up these functions, set up the screen of turtle. That is why it should be here, so we cannot see it. It's hidden. Let me just increase the speed. One, 1 second. Yeah. So um, if you want a progress bar and you want to make anything with the progress bar, so you can use this programming, and after this loop you will have to do the programming that you want to. Okay, so please like my video, subscribe my channel. Till then, take care and bye bye.